Hey everyone, okay, so, I get my Mighty Fix subscription. They also offer a couple others, and this is my first month trying the MightyBody subscription. Came in a little bag. I forget the price, I want to say $15 a month, but what I got was Garden Goddess Organics. Here's the bottle. I already opened it up. I had to smell it. It smells really, really good. Fresh Start Cream Cleanser. Invigorating Cream Cleanser clarifies and awakens. It has willow bark, aloe, and essential oils. And gently massage onto damp skin. Rinse and pat dry. Follow. Okay. Tells you stuff to follow it with. It gives you just some more information. Now, one thing that I noticed is when I smelled it, oh, it smells so good. I can smell like tea tree oil, which yes, it has tea tree oil and it has lavender. You can smell the lavender in it. So I'll read the little card. Welcome to MightyBody, the simplest way to discover safe, effective, natural body care products. This month, we're excited to introduce you to Goddess Garden Fresh Start Cream Cleanser. Did you know your body detoxifies? Hold this back so you can read too. Did you know your body detoxifies through your skin, or that toxins are often found in conventional skincare products? All the more reason to safely clean your pores and clear away dead skin cells with this all-natural facial cream cleanser. It gently detoxifies your skin while maintaining its protective moisture barrier. All right. And here is some more information about it. Now, one thing that really got me to try this was because I have an extremely sensitive, well, I have temperamental skin, and I had allergy testing done, and one of the products, one ingredient that I'm allergic to is some type of chemical preservative that is in almost all skincare products on the market. That's not like organic. And I guess it has like 1,000 different names, and the doctor basically told me it's going to be almost impossible to avoid that product. So I'm trying to go with organic items, and so far it's been working for me. Oh, they've got a vitamin serum. I love serum. So I got the cream cleanser. They have an eye cream, a hydrating vitamin serum, and a daily SPF moisturizer. So hopefully each month I will get the next step in this. I hope. Oh, here's more. Purifying clay cleanser. Softening night serum. Eye cream. One thing that is really, really cool is that you actually fill out a profile. Your skincare profile before you do your order. That way, any allergies and stuff like that, you can have listed on there, which is really, really cool. So, very, very excited. I haven't tried this yet, but I will give you an update on next month's subscription on how this one's working for me. That way, it'll give me a few weeks to try it out and see what I think. But I'm very, very hopeful, and I'm excited. And I'm telling you guys, the smell of this is so amazing. So I'm really, really excited to try it. Super excited. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Now, if you have any of the Garden Goddess Organics products, wow, it's a tongue twister. Leave comments in the video description below. And not in the description, in the comment section below, sorry. Let us know what you think. Favorite products, yays, nays, just everything. That way other people can have your opinions. Just because I think I'm going to love it doesn't mean that everybody else will. But guys, I think you will. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.